Hello everyone, this week and today I'm going to show you another video again how to wipe through in Photoshop to change from this to this. So I'm going to show you the process and it's cool, easy for you to do. So let's start. First, only thing you're going to do is that just duplicate this image. Okay, sorry, or you can just use this tool. Okay, this one. Then we're going to cut it from here to here. Okay, so when you're done with it, just hit Control plus J. So Control plus J is going to give you this. Okay, it's going to give you this. So when you're done with it, just move to Image Adjustments, and let's move to Hue and Saturation. So here's where we're going to change it. So when you open it, change the master, this here master, to yellows. So when you get to the yellows, make sure you turn the saturation to 0 like this. Okay, 0 like this. When you're done with it, push the lightness to higher level like this, plus 60. It's not bad, or you can make it like this. So okay, let's make it plus 70. When you're done with it, check. When you're done with it, hit OK and check before and after. So I think there's a problem here. I think what we just did right now, not affects here. So we're going to fix here too without this. So all I'm going to do is that, let's see, it's before. So I'm going to cut it from here like this. Okay, and hit Ctrl J again. So when you're done with it, just move to and image and move to black and white. So when you reach here, try to control this. Okay, and hit OK. When you hit OK, choose eraser tool, this one, and just increase the opacity to 100 and make sure the hardness is going to be 0. Then clean it. It's like this, but you need to take your time to play with it. Take your time to play with it well, like this. Okay, so, and take this one down like this. So here's the thing. Here the color is different, and here too the color is still different. So we're going to reduce it. Use this opacity to turn it down like this to make sure that it's going to fit. The top and the down is going to be the same. So let's check the before and after. Okay, and let's just bring this one out. Okay, when you're done with it, group them. Highlight both of them and Control J to group them. Okay, and let's just check the before and after. Before and after. So cool. And guys, this is what I just want to show you today. Make sure you just learn from it, and it's very easy. The process is very easy. And by the way, I'm awake. Like, comment, and subscribe to my page. See you for the next video. Bye.